I am going to show you how to solve the handcuff puzzles. First of all, I show you how to solve this commercial product. It's comparatively easy to take out this middle wing without breaking the whole part. This is the standard procedure. 1, 2, you see, take a look first, 2, and then 3, it will slide off, okay, and bring it back, 1, 2, 3. Most important thing is this wing. Even you turn them upside down, the two wings would not shaking so easily. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Along with moving apart the cups, you push it up in the central position of both parts. It's lying back already. Okay. Before I introduce our handmade handcuff puzzles, I want to show you the book. This is the creative puzzles of the world. Okay, you see. And then at the page of 145, you can see this is the solution at this paragraph, and then you can follow the instructions 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do it to take the wing out of the handcuff part. Okay, I show you how. And then I should tell you, introduce, this is a very good mechanical wire puzzles of this kind, of the highest quality, because my friend, who is an expert of making this is a gift from him. You see, so good, so well made. I show you how. This wing cannot be taken out easily. The standard procedure is like this: 1, and then 2, you see, 2. Step 2 is like this, and 3. Take a look. This is step 3. Okay, and then you should press it, and then along with pressing the middle wing, you can press the two main parts, the two cups, and it can slide off. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, already finished. Take out. One thing should bear in mind. You can take a look. When you finish the whole process, no matter it is taking out or recovery or assembling or reassembling, the shape and the form could not be changed, otherwise it represents failure. You see, no change, still symmetry, and both parts are identical. Okay, I go back, but before going back, I want to solve my handmade one. This is handmade by me. Let's compare. This is from my friends. This is handmade, made by me. This is 5 mm stainless steel wire, handmade just at home. There is no workshop for me. I have no workshop to make this. The same 1, 2, 3. Oh, you see, it's going to be taken away and press a little only. Finish. You can compare the wing. The diameter is much smaller than the main part. 1, 2, 3, returning it, and then along with moving apart, you can push it up. Oh, already gone back. Yeah, this one finished. Okay, I want to show you the golden wing is much thicker, and then the diameter is a little bit smaller. Okay, it can still work. Just use the procedure described in the book. This is procedure 1 and 2. Take a look first. 2 and 3. You see, 3, and then you place here, and you can separate it, the cuffs, and along with separating, you should push it back. Finish. Okay, you can check. There is very important criteria. Is there anything changed, the shape and the form? If no, it represents success. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.